Hey, what's up, everybody? It looks like we're coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and looks like we should get 5. That's what I want to see. Get 5 waves down. So you get 3 down, 3 up, and then you get 5 down. That would be an A and a B and a C. And you would then get some kind of retrace back to the upside. And if it's a real legit bear market, which it could be, or a mid-cycle correction, then you're going to get rejected and then continue down. But either way, we should get some sort of consolidation and a retrace. So, looking for 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. XRP, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we go get 5. I don't really like the structure because it looks impulsive. It could also be like a 1 2 1 2. And if that is the case, you could get a big 3 4 5 4 5 before getting some kind of a retrace. So, and I would be open to that because we've already tested support many times where this could turn into an expanded flat A, B, C. So we're waiting for this wave to finish, because once it finishes, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We should expect that 5th. So this might need to be 1, 2, right? 1, 2. If this is 3, 4, 5, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 3, 5. Go. That would be 3 and 4. Bitcoin just needs some kind of a retrace, and we could still see that all season. If we don't, or the certain coins, you're not going to get a complete alt season, but certain coins could get go into their price discovery. So, but looking at some of these other altcoins, they look still very bearish. Like this one looks very bearish. But Monero looks still pretty bullish. But I think what's going on is probably a flat here. We're probably going to get a flat, meaning we're going to be coming down. See, I don't like others. Others looks like it's bottlenecking. It's just bottlenecking. So we could see a big drop, guys. We could see a big drop coming in others, which is basically the collective market. And then we'll see, because you're trying to get that C wave, right? A, B, C. You're trying to develop that C wave. And you could only be halfway there. So, let's see, Ethereum. So Ethereum, I'm looking for it to be holding in this level. I really want to see it hold that level, build some support and then start getting a retracement. Bitcoin Cash, it's looking, yeah, it's not really clear. You got a little three-way move there. You got a little three-way move there. So it could be 3 down, 3 up, maybe 3 down. Maybe we get like a, a proper 3-wave move. And see how this is, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. And now we're rolling again. So this could be a 3-way move down before we get rolling again. We'll see. I mean, compared to Bitcoin, it looks way more bullish. If you just look at, let's see, Bitcoin dominance, it's been going up the last couple days. If we look at Bitcoin, it's been, look at the big dump. You could see that big dump. And XRP, yeah, you still get pretty decent correction, But Bitcoin Cash, barely anything. You're just flagging out right here. Barely any movement at all. So definitely looks interesting to me. It's not uncommon. You're going to get things that pop off randomly in a retrace, even if you're in a bear market. That's the classical deception of bear markets, is that you can't make money, and sometimes you can to the upside during distribution rotations. If you look at the last Bitcoin bear market, you could see again XRP taking off in a retrace. And when you look at it, all it did was go up in 3 waves. Boom. That's all it did, and it got that much of a move. So what I'm saying is, if Bitcoin gets a retrace, that little move could be the trigger that sets off certain alts. Not financial advice.